Good morning, students. Welcome to Science Amazing Facts. Science is a way of thinking much more than it is a body of knowledge. So, in this video, let us discuss about the daily activities which helps us to boost up the memory power. The one major problem which all the children face is the anxiety towards examination, which results in forgetting even the well-known concepts. So, how to tackle this problem? One solution is yoga. Thousands of years ago, the ancient yogis lived in the forest, the mountains, and the caves of India. They observed the harmony of wildlife and nature. Yogis imitated movements of animals, the trees, the mountains, and even the movements of stars. They created a wonderful technique called yoga. Yoga is a way to exercise our bodies, our breath and our minds all at the same time. Yoga makes us feel great. Practicing yoga poses and breathing exercises brings back the harmony to our body and mind. We are able to feel again the nature state of happiness. Yoga for kids increases the concentration, memory power, and physical fitness. So, children, now let's explore some yoga poses which boost up your memory power. Then fish pose, which is also called Matsyasana. Lie on your back on the floor, place your arms at your sides and put your hands under your hips. Bend elbows and exhale as you lift up your upper body. Inhale, raise your chest and tilt your head backwards. Hold position for 5 to 10 seconds. Inhale and return to starting position. The next pose is Virasana, which is also called hero pose. So bend your knee and stretch your body like this. The next pose is Surya Namaskar, that is sun salutations. So what are the benefits of doing this yogic pose is, it strengthens the body, it helps to cope with insomnia. Insomnia is a state of sleeplessness. It improves the posture, improves muscle tone, improves functions of internal organs, improves the blood circulation, helps to build mental focus, helps to burn excess fat, improves the flexibility and helps to relax our mind. Next is Brahmari Pranayama, which is also called bee breathing. So for one cycle, the steps are: close your eyes, close your ears with the help of index fingers, inhale deeply, exhale slowly with humming sound. That's why this pose is also called bee breathing. Feel vibrations in head region. So repeat this 5 times. The next pose is Vajrasana, which is also called diamond or thunderbolt pose. So this is Vajrasana pose. So children, now let's see some supplements to increase the brain power. So take green leafy vegetables such as broccoli and also vegetables like lady's finger and vitamin C rich fruits and fatty fish, flax seed and flaxseed oil, eggs, sweet potatoes, apples, avocados, dark chocolates, dark green leafy vegetables, peanuts and peanut butter, whole grains and walnuts. So children, International Yoga Day is observed on 21st June every year and it focuses on the importance of yoga. So, practice all these yoga poses and repeat it at least 1 or 2 times a day. But don't forget to do this under the guidance of your parents. God gave us a healthy body and in gratitude, let's take good care of ourselves. Everything you need, your courage, strength, compassion and love, everything you need is already within you. So take care of your health. Thank you.